100 synonyms of most commonly used words starting with letter L. Large. Synonyms are big, huge, immense. Example sentence: the large building towered over the city. Love. Synonyms are adore, cherish, esteem. Example sentence: I love spending time with my family. Look. Synonyms are glance, peek, stare. Example sentence: she took a quick look at her watch. Learn. Synonyms are acquire, grasp, absorb. Example sentence: I want to learn a new language. Leave. Synonyms are depart, exit, withdraw. Example sentence: he had to leave the meeting early. Light. Synonyms are bright, radiant, illuminated. Example sentence: the room was filled with light from the sun. Like. Synonyms are enjoy, prefer, appreciate. Example sentence: I really like listening to music. Listen. Synonyms are hear, pay attention, attend. Example sentence: she listened carefully to his instructions. Look after. Synonyms are care for, attend to, nurture. Example sentence: she volunteered to look after the children. Laugh. Synonyms are chuckled, giggle, snicker. Example sentence: the comedian made the audience laugh. Live. Synonyms are reside, dwell, and habit. Example sentence: I live in a small town in the countryside. Last. Synonyms are final, ultimate, end. Example sentence: this is my last warning. Leave out. Synonyms are exclude, omit, neglect. Example sentence: don't leave out any important details. Look for. Synonyms are search, seek, hunt. Example sentence: I'm looking for my keys. Less. Synonyms are lower, reduced, diminished. Example sentence: she ate less than she usually does. Let. Synonyms are allow, permit, enable. Example sentence: I'll let you borrow my book. Lose. Synonyms are misplace, drop, forfeit. Example sentence: he didn't want to lose the game. Little. Synonyms are small, tiny, petite. Example sentence: she had a little bit of cake.